Today, we're digging into a project so ambitious, they named it Stargate. Out in the middle of West Texas, a huge, kind of mysterious project is taking shape, and it's a team-up of some of tech's heaviest hitters, OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle. It's called Project Stargate, but what is it really, and why should you care? Basically, Stargate is a gigantic data center. Some are even calling it an AI factory. And get this, it's being called the largest infrastructure build in human history. Seriously. The first phase is even nicknamed Project Ludicrous. And yeah, they're building it at a crazy pace. So why the huge rush? Well, it's all about this insane hunger for computing power. Think about it. Just one AI query can use 10 times more energy than a simple Google search. So for OpenAI, the logic is simple. The world wants more AI, so they need more GPUs. But the ultimate goal here? It's creating artificial general intelligence, or AGI. And the price tag they're talking about is a mind-blowing $500 billion. But an ambition this big, it comes with a gigawatt-sized gamble. And some really serious questions. See, building this AI future is running right into our climate goals. Just the Abilene site will need 1.2 gigawatts of power. That's a huge amount. To put that in perspective, that's enough to power about 750,000 American homes. And some are asking, do we even need all this, especially with more efficient AI models out there? This massive global story has a very local impact. Let's head to Abilene, Texas. To get the project, the town of Abilene offered a massive 85% property tax break. The mayor says it's a huge win, without 15% helping pay for streets and police. But for the people living there, it's a lot more complicated. There's hope, but also a lot of uncertainty. One resident put it perfectly. They love the jobs, but the whole idea of it is terrifying. So is Stargate the key to our future, or just a monument to a bubble?